The Federation of Indian Associations, Chicago, celebrated Indian Heritage Night for the 8th consecutive year at the Now Arena in Hoffman Estates, Illinois. With pride, passion, and purpose of spreading the Indian culture, the evening was a spectacular sporting event filled with community participation, Indian dances, and celebration dinner. The Federation of Indian Associations, Chicago, celebrated Indian Heritage Night for the 8th consecutive year at the Now Arena in Hoffman Estates, Illinois, where the Windy City Bulls, the official NBA G League affiliates of the Chicago Bulls, took on the Birmingham Squadron. FIA Chicago is a non-profit umbrella organization of other Indian associations in the Chicagoland and Midwest, representing in excess of 300,000 culturally diverse but united together Asian Indians. FIA has been actively engaged in serving the Indian American community for the past 12 years and has been instrumental in promoting Indian culture. The event was kick-started by the playing of the Indian national anthem followed by the US national anthem. This year witnessed an unprecedented surge in participation across all demographics, with the highest number of performers around 140, with amazing talent to showcase. This was a night that seamlessly merged East and West. An unforgettable evening of Indian heritage, culture, and electrifying dance performances alongside high-energy basketball action. With pride, passion, and purpose of spreading Indian culture, the evening was a spectacular sporting event filled with community participation, Indian dances, and celebration dinner.
This is something which is raising a great self-confidence among the girls, and we are seeing so many different dance groups joining us, and they are so much enthusiastic, so much willing to be, being part of this performances. That initially what we started from 10 to 15 girls, and now right now we're seeing 140 girls. So that's amazing response what we're getting from our Indian community.
As you see, there is so much excitement in Now Arena. This event is our third main event of 2025, and I feel so proud that 137 dancers from 4 major Chicago dancing schools will be performing at this mainstream. What an inspiration FIA is going to provide to all these youth that are going to sing and dance at today's event.
A certificate of appreciation was presented to Team FIA Chicago for their participation and celebrating 8 years of Indian Heritage Night.